Show, let's see your bat. Turn it around, turn it around. Turn it around. Can you rip out that whole sticker? Take all that plastic off. Let's test it out. Come on. Ooh.
At least you didn't get the hard balls.
Yep. Got the soft ones this time. Whoa. Come on. Come on.
Daddy.
Hmm?
How does this baseball bat fit in there?
Both of them fit in there. Show everyone your old one. Look how you damaged your old one. Because we were using the hard balls.
Yeah, that's your fault.
Look at the damage on this bat. Whoa. See that damage? Oh my goodness.
Look.
Because you were using the hard balls. So this is what we'll do. We'll still use this one for the hard balls. And then we'll use that one for the softballs.
Look at it inside.
Oh man.
This baby tore up.
No. So we'll still use this one for the hard balls. And then we'll use your new one. We'll just use the T-ball balls.
Are you going to throw them?
Mm-hmm. Are you ready? All right, get your stuff together. Come on, get your helmet on.
Oh my God. Daddy, bases.
All right, let's put the bases out.